price of Bitcoin continues to see downtrend towards a yearly low of $90,000. This has actually created a lot of uncertainties in the market, and traders, investors are quite worried what could happen to altcoins. If the price of BTCs continue in this downtrend fashion, we could see altcoins bleed seriously. Hello everyone, you are welcome to NextJ Lab, the platform where we discuss everything Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and altcoins generally. If you are new to our channel, please do well to like, share, subscribe. So today we'll be discussing a bit of Bitcoin price analysis and how price could potentially affect Solana in the long term. We're also going to see what the price of Solana realistically could be headed to before the end of 2025. So let's get right into it. Following the price action of BTC in the last few days, we noticed that the price of BTC hasn't looked pretty good. The price continues to trend in a downtrend. The price is headed towards a region of $80,000. However, this region of $85,000 to $90,000 has shown strength. However, the price of BTC doesn't look good for now. The price of BTC needs to show a bullish price action to the upside to draw conviction to show that the price is ready to go to the upside. If the price continues in this fashion, then we should expect altcoins to trend lower with BTC. Considering that the price looks weak and is struggling to build a bullish price action, I expect the price to show something like this to the upside, and then we could continue potentially to a high of $107,000. However, we want to also prepare for eventualities. If the price of BTC fails to protect this key zone acting as liquidity zone or demand zone for buyers, for investors, for also traders, then we could expect the price to even trade lower. We want to be cautious, especially now that the market looks uncertain heading into the end of 2025. What should we be expecting when it comes to Solana? If we look at the price action of Solana, you notice that Solana has struggled for some time now also. The price of BTC hasn't given Solana the opportunity to even trade to the upside. The price of Solana has repeatedly kept a downtrend. If we look at the charts, Solana has maintained a downtrend up to this region, and price is actually trading into a key zone. Here is a key zone. Here is a key zone, which price has mitigated. If price of Solana fails to hold this key zone, then I expect price to trade into this zone, which could potentially see the price of Solana head to $100 or even $120. If we take note, this zone has protected the price from going lower on several occasions, especially the zone of $120 to $100. Solana coming to this zone has rebounded up into what? Into $250. However, price is coming back into this zone again. So we want to be very cautious. We want to be careful as how we trade these zones. We want to see a clear bullish structure to the upside before making any investment decision. Heading into the close of the year, we want to see the price of Solana creates a bullish structure just like this. However, if price fails to hold $140, we expect price to do something like this, a bullish structure. Overall, we want to see that Solana holds its key zone of $100. If price fails to hold $100, then we could expect that the price of Solana will trade even lower, potentially to $65 or even $50. But for now, we want to pay close attention to the price action of Solana and see if we can make the best investment decision in the coming weeks or months. Ahead of the close of 2025, the price of Solana could potentially see a retest of $170 or $190. It becomes really hard to determine if the price of Solana could even trade above $200 heading into the close of the year. Overall, market is fearful, market is uncertain, and we want to be careful. We don't want to be in a rush. We want to take our time to make the best investment decision. Trading involves patience, it involves waiting and spotting the right opportunities before investing money into assets. So we want to be careful. If you're just joining us, please, this is Next Chain Lab, the platform where we discuss everything cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, Solana, and sometimes a bit of the forex markets. If you're just joining us, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Cheers.